就係啲卡ทุกคน我終於到咗啦，到咗妍妍打卡嘅地方，實在係非常遙遠啊！由Phutthamonthon到呢度呢，要半個鐘頭，咁我終於可以入去飲咖啡啦。今日係星期六，應該可能有啲爆嘅。哦 ，OK， 咁啊。啊，好靚啊，其實，太好啦，開心。咁啊，揾個位坐啦。咁一個人唔好坐咁大地方啦，坐細啲，坐呢度啦。OK。但係竟然冇有帶妍妍嘅照片喎，係帶咗窩仔嘅照片嘅。好。睇下飲咩先。哇！呢度有非常之多嘅選擇啊！Hi， สวัสดีค่ะany signature only coffeeร้อนso
You should make coffee and a coffee with milk and then coffee.
no milk ไม่มี milk
And the black coffee behind the brand. If the
I want to try the Thai coffee
Thai coffee in Phrom and Doi Tu.
is the Thai is เชียงใหม่ Doi Tu yeah ครับ
The chestnut, mint, and vegetables.
is it balanced fruity or nutty
Fruity.
fruity
And a pork dip, pepper dip, and a coffee.
I'm ไม่ชอบsour too sour ไม่ได้ yeah
Okay. And a
balance nutty ก็ได้ละค่ะ
and from the puma.
Okay rose almond and then the jasmine and berry brown sugar sweetness okay ครับ
Okay, hot. And the moment.
okay
Eat the sunflower and the coffee puma.
what is that
Yeah, it's fine. Puma.
sorry
And bestseller puma. It's a nutty. It's a nutty chocolate caramel and nutty.
nutty
Yes.
this one
Okay.
and also I want to buy the one time one times filter coffee to take away
Okay, take away. You should add a hot dip. Okay. And a hot dip take away.
no I will drink this in here ตรงนี้ yes but do you have any drip coffee okay ครับ okay thank you 好啦，喺呢度有啦。等我睇一陣先啊，我因為呢個要啲時間，咁啊大家再翻嚟飲咖啡啦。